Hello, my name is Galang from Mind, Brain and Behavior Laboratory. In this video, I am going to present you our recent study about social influence in cheating. And this materials is partly based on our publication in 2020, which is entitled Social Influence on Cheating in Collectivistic Culture, Collaboration but Not Competition. As you know that cheating is a global phenomenon, like everyone has the same concern, and previous literature have indicated that social environment can influence individuals' cheating behavior. Well, although there have been studies investigating this issue, there are only few studies which actually investigate the direct link between social environment and cheating behavior, such as Weisel and Shelby use behavioral tasks in a lab setting. So they use dice rolling paradigm, which pair a participant with another participant to find the evidence of collaborative cheating. So this is how the game is played. So every time the two players reported the match score, for example 6 and 6, each of them will get money, which is contingent to the score they reported. You probably can already guess what happened. This is the ideal response based on the probabilistic law. But this is not what they actually responded. Instead, this one is how they responded. Can you spot what was wrong with that? The blue dot here represents the frequency of the match score between player A and player B. And as you can see here, the number of the match score is way too many and it is almost impossible. In other words, they have been cheating. In addition to that, we found that social relations such as competition or collaboration can also promote cheating. And it really depends on the cultural orientation, such as individualism or collectivism. So it leads to our research questions. What type of social relations, competition or collaborations causes cheating, especially in collectivistic society like Indonesia? Using dice rolling paradigm as it has been used in Weisel and Shelby study, we accentuated competition and collaboration in laboratory setting through 5 different blocks. We recruited 20 participants per data collection session, and each of them faced computer in a semi-closed booth to prevent them to communicate with each other verbally. And we asked the participant to roll the dice individually and to type the dice score on the computer. And the arrangement of the game is depend on the block of experiment. On the block 1, participants simply roll the dice and type the score on the computer. After 30 times dice rolling per block, they were rewarded 5,000 Indonesian rupiah. On the block 2, participants roll the dice 30 times per block again, and after that, Participants who score higher than 115 will be rewarded 10,000 rupiah. But what's with 115? Well, it is almost highly unlikely for you to collect 115 total score after 30 dice rolling. So it could be cheating. So let's now continue to block 3. So here we only give reward to 3 participants with the highest score. So those 3 participants will get 10,000 rupiah. Now on the block 4, participant started to work with another participant. So all couples who score higher than 230 will be rewarded 20,000 rupiah. And on the last block, we only gave reward to 2 couples with the highest score. And now it comes to the trickiest part. When I said that they were paired by another participant, in fact, they were always paired with computer in block 4 and 5. And this computer partner was designed to report cheat score. This is to give you an idea what the participants saw on the computer screen. This is for block 4 and 5. So the participant always roll the dice after their partners. And after they finish the block, they were asked to rate how much they want to get the reward and how much they sense the competition on the block. As for the result, there was a difference of score reported across 5 blocks, with the largest dice score report on the block 4. This is the block where we give reward for any group who can score more or higher than 230. And interestingly, this finding was accompanied by a significant difference in perceived reward across block experiment, especially in block 4 where participants rated to be the highest. So it means participants thought that the block 4 is more meaningful. And it was also accompanied by the increase of perceived competition across 5 blocks. Now, as you can see here, for the collectivistic society, the competition happened even in the collaborative setting. So what is the conclusion? Our study demonstrated that cheating in collectivistic cultural orientation is driven by collaboration but not competition, as it was suggested by previous literature. Therefore, the cause of cheating is not one fit for all, but rather culture specific. Thank you for listening and stay tuned with Mind, Brain, and Behavior Laboratory for more videos. See ya!